guys, I'm Tiger and today we are going to do science experiment. For this I'll pour water in the container. I'll pour some black pepper in it. Dip the cotton swab in the dish soap. Let's see the magic, guys, now.
Here, the soap breaks the surface tension of water. Water molecules spread away from soap and brings the pepper with them.
Let's do another science experiment.
For this science experiment, we need glass container, milk, food colors, dish soap, and a cotton swab.
Let's start our experiment. I'll pour this glass of milk in this container. Let's put these food colors in the container.
Now dip the cotton swab in the dish soap. Put this cotton swab in the center of the container and see the magic.
Did you see the magic, guys? Do like and subscribe. Tiger and Major. Whoosh! Grow with Tiger and Major.